Get up in a bus stop near the motorway. Now have breakfast. Cook the rest macaroni and serve it with vegetable salad. Open this chicken fillet can. It's mixed with vegetables and beans. The macaroni is ready. Eat instant naren. Naren is a typical Kazakh food. It's noodles served with horse meat. It has a bag of noodles, a bag of salt, and a bag of meat. Start to eat. I will have lunch and go. I'll boil square-shaped noodles and serve it with vegetable salad. Start to eat. Eat the sardine can. I'll skip car command and go straight forward. It's counter wind now, although it was following wind yesterday. Here's a channel flows under the bridge. The canal is called Ertis Karagandu Canal. It connects the river Ertis and the city Karagandu. It's still counter wind and start raining. I'll have a rest in a bus stop. I'll set up my camp in the bus stop.